Welcome to this new astronomy channel, and our first item of news and pictures is Comet Ison. Comet Ison that is now getting real close to the Sun. It should encounter the Sun on November 28th and be at about 1,000,000 miles from the surface of the Sun. Some interesting statistics about that is the fact that it's going to actually its core should actually rise up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's real hot. And there's a lot of talk about is there going to be a comet after the close encounter with the Sun, and that's the biggest problem, that we don't have any answers yet. We're hoping that Comet Ison will survive. There's a good chance though, and that it's going to give us a real good show afterwards. So Comet Ison is located as of yesterday in the constellation Libra in the southeast early morning sky. It's getting more and more difficult to spot because of the glare of the Sun, and since it's getting closer and closer every day, it's going to be more and more difficult to actually get to see the comet. But if it survives, it might be a very impressive comet after November 28th, especially in the first week or two of December. So maybe we'll have a Christmas comet. And if you're looking for pictures, one of the websites that I really am pointing you all to is spaceweather.com. They have a real-time image gallery of the Comet Ison as people are sending in all sorts of pictures. So it's really nice. Another website, cometisonnews.com, which gives lots of pictures, has lots of really nice pictures and updated news of the Comet Ison itself, actually. So, of course, will it survive? That will be something that is to look for in the coming week or two. Chances are that it should. For the time being, Comet seems to be holding up quite well. Its tail has been really expanding a lot. It actually stretches 16 million kilometers through space, which is quite amazing. Which means that even when it's going to be too close to the Sun, careful observers and using telescopes and binoculars might actually show up at least the tail still there, rising from the Sun, which is pretty interesting. So as this comet plunges towards the Sun, as it's getting close and close, of course we're going to update the videos here, and I have different pictures all the time about the video and what's happening about Comet Ison. So two websites that I'm pointing you is cometisonnews.com and spaceweather.com. Two great sites if you want to learn more about Comet Ison. If you have binoculars or a telescope, it is still time to watch, though very getting more and more difficult. November 23, 24, 25, maybe some possibilities if you're careful about what's happening. Afterwards, when it will pass the Sun, when it's going to be at the closest encounter of the Sun, it should actually get into northern hemisphere, an easy northern hemisphere view. So that's going to be interesting to check for. So in December we are waiting for a possible great Comet Ison. If we look at Comet Ison, December 1st, it's actually going to start departing from the sun itself, so it should start getting a possible view. We should start seeing Comet Ison better and better, and actually it's going to become a nighttime, possible nighttime object after the sun sets and the early winter evening here in North America. So there's going to be a possibility of seeing Ison and in the evening, and it's one of those comets that you'll be able to see from about 4:30 and in the morning. It's actually going to become a comet that the what we call a circumpolar object, which means that it just won't set, meaning that it's going to be visible all night long, which is going to be quite interesting because it's going to be in maybe a great object and have great magnitude. So hopefully in the first 2 weeks we should have a nice glimpse, and hopefully it's going to be bright enough to be visible from big cities with the unaided eye. So let's cross our fingers about that. So next news will be about Comet Ison, will be in the beginning, probably the beginning of next week. So if you enjoy astronomy and want to have some news about what is in the sky, and also Comet Ison news for now, well, just subscribe to this channel and we'll have videos and other pictures of Comet Ison coming up. And we should have an update Monday or Tuesday, November 25th, 26th, about this comet. So thanks for watching, and hope that you'll enjoy our channel. It's brand new, I'm starting it right now. I've had an idea about a astronomy channel for a while, and it's going to be a mixed bag of all sorts of videos, news, pictures, and also some educational videos about the planets, the solar system, stars, and even solar news and events that are going to be talked about on this channel. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again on our channel. Bye bye.